Hi, this is Mark from Pix Video Engineering. This is a short tutorial on recognizing and adjusting for back focus errors. I'm using a PMW 300, but this also applies to PMW 200s, PMW EX3s of the Sony range of cameras. We have a Siemens chart on the wall, and I've set the focus to manual and the iris to auto. And what we need to do is we need to have a iris or aperture wide open of 1.9. This is so that there is no depth of field affecting our focus points. If you've got too much light, then dial in enough shutter to get the auto iris to go to 1.9, and in this instance it's 1,000th of a second. Right, now I'm going to zoom in to our Siemens chart. Adjust for optimum focus, and as I zoom out I'm going to deliberately defocus just to show you what effect a flange back or back focus error would have. So as I zoom out, I deliberately adjust it. You see the Siemens chart goes all mushy in the center there, and as we get to the wide angle end of the lens, it appears to go sharp, and this is to do with depth of field at the wide angle end of the lens. In order to adjust for that back focus error, once again iris auto, focus auto, and the manual servo switch underneath the lens there on the grip should also be servo. And we go into the menu and go to lens file, and at the bottom of the page there will be auto FB adjust, and we execute that. The camera will set its auto shutter for an iris of wide open, zoom in, and as you can see, focus there. Once it's created optimum focus, it will then zoom out and once again go through its focus range to find its optimum focus. Make very fine adjustments, and then we'll set that as its back focus. And to check that, you can come out of the menu, switch your focus back to manual, zoom in, optimum focus, and then zoom out, and you should see that the center of the Siemens chart slowly but smoothly defocuses, and this is not to do with a lack of focus, but it's to do with resolution. That's it, and I hope it's been useful for you, and thank you very much for watching.